Want to build a professional business website in minutes without writing a single line of code? This theme might be exactly what you need. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the Axisory Business Consulting WordPress theme, a powerful solution for agencies and consultants. It's built with Elementor, so you can drag and drop everything easily. You get one-click demo import, which means you can launch your site in minutes. There are multiple homepage layouts to choose from. It comes with tons of elements like pricing tables, sliders, and team sections. This theme is perfect for business consultants, agencies, corporate websites, and startups. It's fully responsive, fast-loading, and optimized for SEO, so your website performs as good as it looks. And the best part? It's very affordable compared to most premium themes out there. Check the link in the description below to see if it fits your business. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.